Hello children, welcome to this English class. Students, today we will discuss important MCQs of chapter 4 of Beehive, a truly beautiful mind. So let's start the MCQs of this chapter. Okay, and our first question is Albert's work on general theory of relativity was proclaimed by the newspapers as options are a mysterious revolution, a scientific revolution, a musical revolution, or a technological revolution. So B option is correct. A scientific revolution. Einstein's general theory of relativity was proclaimed by the newspaper as a scientific revolution. Okay, so B option is correct. Scientific revolution. Now, our second question is Einstein's mother was bothered about the intelligence of. Options are Mileva, Einstein, Elsa, or Margie. So, Einstein's mother was bothered about the intelligence of Mileva. So, A option is correct. Now, third question is at what age did Einstein pass away? Options are 76, 77, 75 or 78. So, B option is correct. Einstein was passed away at the age of 76. Okay. Now, our fourth question is Einstein was deeply shaken due to the destruction caused by. Options are World War, atomic bomb explosion in Japanese cities, political turmoil, or terror attacks in America. So, which option is correct? B option is correct. Einstein was deeply shaken due to the destruction caused by atomic bomb explosion in Japanese cities. Okay. Now, fifth question is in which subject did Einstein receive Nobel Prize? So, options are physics, mathematics, chemistry, and literature. So, A option is correct. Einstein received Nobel Prize in physics. So, we will take A option, physics. Now, our sixth question is when did Einstein have his second marriage? So, students, read the question carefully. When did Einstein have his second marriage with Elsa? So, in 1919, Einstein have his second marriage with Elsa. In same year, he got divorced with मेलेवा. ओके, इसी ईयर में उनका मेलेवा से डिवोर्स हुआ था और इसी सेम ईयर में उन्होंने 1919 में एलिसा से सेकंड मैरिज कर ली. नाउ our seventh question is when did Einstein and Mileva finally decide to marry? So options are 1903, 1905, 1902 or 1904. So the pair finally decided to marry in 1903. So A option is correct. Okay. Now our eighth question is whom did Albert want to marry right after finishing studies? So options are Blair, Mileva, Mary or Margie. So Einstein wanted to marry right after finishing his study with the Mileva. So we will take B options. Okay. अपनी स्टडी कंप्लीट करने के बाद जो आइंस्टाइन थे मेलेवा मैरी से मैरी करना चाहते थे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नाइन्थ क्वेश्चन इज व्हेन डिड the famous paper of Einstein's special theory of relativity got published? So it was published in 1905. So A option is correct. Now 10th question is where was this job location? So where was his job location आएगा. Okay, where was his job location? उनकी जो जॉब थी पेटेंट ऑफिस में वो जो जॉब करते थे वो कहाँ था पेटेंट ऑफिस? So it was at Bern. Okay, so we will take A option, Bern. Now our 11th question is who both Einstein and his beloved worked on. Options are gravity, laws of motion, relativity or thermal conductance. So options are here and which option is correct? 11th question number 11 na. So third C option is correct. Einstein and his beloved worked on relativity. So we will take C option, relativity. Now 12th question is why did she come to Switzerland? Here she stand for Mileva. Okay, she here stand for Mileva. Okay, so when did she or Mileva come to Switzerland? So options are because she loved Swiss culture, because she wanted to pursue mathematics, because she wanted to settle in Switzerland, or because the University of Zurich provided degrees to women. So D option is correct because the University of Zurich provided degrees to women. So Mileva Mary came to Switzerland. Okay. Now our 13th question is Albert found this fellow student to be. This fellow student means stand for here again for Meleva-Maric. So this also stand for Meleva-Maric. So Albert found Meleva to be pretty creature, smart creature, clever creature or tall creature. So C option is correct, clever creature. Albert found Meleva to be clever creature. Okay. Now our 14th question is, what kind of mustache Einstein had as a young man? So options are like a walrus, thick, bushy or white. So which option is correct? A option is correct, because in this chapter Einstein's mustache is compared to walrus. Walrus is an animal having long teeth. So उसके लॉन्ग टीथ होते हैं. आइंस्टाइन की जो मोस्टेज थी काफ़ी बड़ी बड़ी थी. तो हेयर इन दिस चैप्टर आइंस्टाइंस मोस्टेज आर compared to walrus teeth. So like a walrus. Okay. Now our 15th and last question is, where did Einstein go after school? So options are at a university in Zurich, at a university in Munich, or at a university in German, or at a university in Switzerland. So A option is correct, at a university in Zurich. So we will tick A. Okay students, now you have to revise your this chapter, and tomorrow your mock test will be there, and you have to revise the syllabus of mock test which is given to you. Okay students, thank you very much.